All right, everybody. So now we're looking at the worksheet. So again, we're going to use all of our notes that we have on the exercise sheet to complete the Finding the Area of Quadrilaterals worksheet and the rest of the area worksheets. All right, so let's get started here. This is find the area of each square or rectangle using the formula area equals length times width. Now, I use the language base times height. It doesn't really matter what language you use, okay, as long as you understand that you want to multiply this side length by that side length. All right, and so we have 5 times 8 gives us 40 meters, and notice the label of squared because you could draw little squares in here. All right, and so here we're going to do the same thing. 11 times 3, so area equals 11 times 3, and you could use different multiplication symbols. You could use area equals 11.3. You could use area equals 11 and then in parentheses 3. And in each of these cases, it's saying 11 times 3, and that's going to give you 33 inches with your label squared. All right. So go ahead and try problem 3. Pause the video, resume it when you're ready to go. All right, so we're back here, and we have area equals 7 times 7, and that's going to give us 49 centimeters squared. All right, and then you're going to do that for the rest of these problems here. And now you're doing finding the area of a triangle. So now it's going to be base times the height. So half times the base times the height. So I like to start off by just calculating what the base times height would be. So I do base times the height. All right, in this case, it's going to be 10 times 7 gives us 70. And we need to divide it by 2 because this triangle is half the area of a rectangle, right? So if we were to highlight the rectangle, here it is. The triangle in purple is half of that. So when we do 70 divided by 2, it gives us 35 centimeters squared. So I'd write that in. Go ahead and try this next problem out. All right, here we go. We have 4 times 7, so that's going to be area equals 4 times 7 on top, which gives us 28. And of course, we need to divide it by 2. So that's going to be 14 centimeters squared. All right, we're going to write that in there, 14 centimeters squared. And you're going to do the same thing for the rest of these problems. You're going to calculate 12 times 10, divide it by 2. All right, nice job. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the next worksheets in a bit.